Eyebrow waxing. As part of its Waxing Academy training program, Depilève presents the professional method to carry out a proper eyebrow and upper lip waxing using stripless film wax. Mastering this technique will allow you to design eyebrows that will beautify the facial factions for a captivating and glamorous look. Regardless of fashion and stereotypes when it comes to waxing eyebrows, there are a series of standards that must be met to obtain a flawless professional service. The face shape is fundamental to determine the ideal eyebrow, yet in this video we will only teach how to shape an eyebrow using wax. First thing you need to know is that the eyebrow shape is marked by the upper arch. Remove any excess hairs in between both brows and over the upper eyelid. Do not remove hairs over the superciliary arch in order not to lose the natural shape of the eyebrow. The beginning of the eyebrow will be marked by an imaginary line starting from the outside nostril straight up the inside edge of the eye to reach the brow. For the end of the brow line, form an imaginary line starting from the outside of the nostril to the outer corner of the eye. The shape is more difficult to define. In dense and well-proportioned eyebrows, the hair thickness will go from most to least, and the thickest point will be marked by the imaginary line that goes from the outside of the nostril through the center of the eye. However, not all eyebrows have shapes that follow these premises. Some have less or more pronounced arches, or are flat or very thin. For this reason, we introduce the 5-line eyebrow system that is suitable to shape any type of eyebrow. The first line marks the beginning of the eyebrow, which starts from the outside nostril straight up the inside edge of the eye to reach the brow. The second and third lines start from the first baseline where the hair starts to the top of the arch. Draw the lines underneath and over the brow as shown. The fourth and fifth lines are drawn from the top of the arch to the end of the brow tail. Again, draw the lines under and over the brow as shown and finish the shape tapered or wide. Always remember to respect the superciliary arch in order to give a natural appearance to the brow. Materials required. Let's start preparing all the products required. The Depilève warmer is controlled by a thermostat with a 360-degree heating element which evenly heats the wax for a fast meltdown. We recommend using the new precision applicator since the slanted edge will allow maximum precision when applying the wax on the eyebrows. The collar rings will help you keep the warmer and trolley clean from wax drippings. We have chosen the premium cream film wax because this wax adheres very well to small and short hair while the pull is delicate to minimize any pain sensation. Remove the plastic lid from the heater. Place the collar ring and fit the can in the warmer. For a quick meltdown, turn the warmer on and adjust the knob to 10 for 15 minutes. Then, lower the knob between 4 to 5, depending on room temperature. The consistency should be like honey. Always test the temperature of the wax on the inside of your wrist before applying on the client. Use a disposable bed sheet to protect the bed and provide a hygienic setting for your customer. Make sure you have all the products and accessories needed in your Depilève trolley to optimize your service time. Once everything is prepared, you can begin your eyebrow hair removal. Eyebrow waxing. Clean your hands with dermobalance to avoid the proliferation of bacteria and create an antiseptic barrier. Use rubber gloves for further protection against blood spotting. Soak a cotton pad with dermobalance to clean the client's skin and improve the wax adhesion to the hair. Dry thoroughly with a paper tissue. Comb the eyebrows with a brow brush, and if required, shape them with the help of the brush handle before you start waxing. Start with the area between the eyebrows. Stretch the area with the free hand while applying wax with the precision applicator at an angle of 45 degrees. Once dry, use the tip of the spatula to lift the edge of the wax strip and then remove. In some countries, it is not allowed to double dip the applicator in the wax, so it must be disposed of after each wax application. Stretch the skin and remove the wax strip in a fast motion opposite to the direction of hair growth. Apply the same technique to remove the hair under the eyebrow. Stretch the area with one hand while applying wax with the spatula. Spread a thin, even layer in the direction of the hair growth. The slant precision applicator will allow you to apply the wax exactly where desired. The unique properties of the premium cream film wax effectively remove hair from the root without altering the skin condition, so there is no risk of provoking flaccidity in the eyelid, provided that it is applied and removed properly. After waxing, remove any remaining very small hair with the help of the Depilève tweezers. Take advantage of the pore dilation to apply the slow-grow serum gold concentrate. This serum, formulated with papaya, vegetal extracts, and vitamin E, weakens and thins hair regrowth. After applying the serum, apply a film of soothing cream as a mask. This cream, formulated with aloe vera and chamomile, soothes, softens, moisturizes, and prevents irritation to conceal any blemishes. After a few minutes, massage the cream into the skin and remove any excess with a tissue. Upper lip wax. Begin cleaning your hands with dermobalance and moisten a cotton pad to clean the lip. Use disposable gloves to avoid contact in case of blood spotting. To wax the upper lip, use one hand to stretch the skin and the other to apply the wax with a spatula at a 45-degree angle. Start on one side of the lip and spread a thin and even layer in the direction of the hair growth. Use the tip of the spatula to lift the edge, stretch the skin, and remove the wax strip in the opposite direction hair growth. After waxing eyebrows and the upper lip, take advantage of the pore dilation to apply the gold concentrate serum. After applying the serum, apply a film of soothing cream as a mask. After a few minutes, massage the cream into the skin and remove any excess with a tissue.